Welcome to the Keto's YouTube channel, the place where digital security meets clarity. Today we're diving into the world of certificate transparency logs. So let's unravel the mystery of these logs and discover how they are pivotal in safeguarding our online presence. First off, what exactly are certificate transparency logs? In simple terms, they are a public record of SSL certificates, which are essential for establishing secure connections on the internet. Imagine them as a cryptographic ledger. Yes, like the blockchain, but actually useful, keeping track of every SSL certificate issued by public certificate authorities. Now, why are these logs so important? They play a crucial role in internet security by providing transparency. This transparency allows domain owners, browsers, and security researchers to monitor and audit SSL certificates in real time, ensuring they are legitimate and haven't been misissued or acquired maliciously. How do these logs help prevent attacks? By openly logging certificates, certificate transparency helps in quickly identifying unauthorized certificates. This is crucial in preventing man-in-the-middle attacks, where attackers can intercept and manipulate the data transferred between two parties. But it's not just about preventing attacks. For organizations, certificate transparency logs are invaluable tools for managing their SSL certificates. They enable organizations to find and keep track of all their certificates, ensuring they are valid, up-to-date, and secure. This is especially important to prevent outages caused by expired certificates, a surprisingly common issue. This is why the new PCI compliance requires organizations to monitor certificate transparency logs. In conclusion, certificate transparency logs are not just a technical jargon but a foundational aspect of our digital security framework. They ensure that the SSL certificates, the guardians of our secure internet connections, remain trustworthy and tamper-proof. Now the question is, are you monitoring the certificate transparency logs to protect your domains?